Hello, my friends. In this important lesson, we will thoroughly learn and carefully discover the correct and most effective way to completely stop or effectively prevent automatic software updates on your iPhone devices. This is crucial in order to proactively avoid certain common and often frustrating problems that can arise from unexpected or unwanted updates. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So first and foremost, you will need to open the default settings application that is readily available and pre-installed on all iPhones. Proceed to open it as you normally would, then carefully scroll down a little bit and diligently look for the specific option that is clearly labeled General. If your particular phone device is currently set to another language, please remember the precise locations and distinctive icons you will need to navigate to and select. So I will tap on this spot. Then you will want to scroll down just a little bit further on the screen and carefully look for the specific option that is clearly labeled Software Update. Click on it. After that, this particular interface will prominently appear as you can clearly see. Simply click precisely in this designated spot. And here, as you can observe, I have previously and intentionally disabled the automatic update feature for all iPhone systems. The primary reason I made the decision to deactivate all of these various options and settings is quite straightforward. Whenever a new software update is officially released for the sophisticated iPhone operating system, there's always a possibility that this particular update might unfortunately contain some unforeseen issues, bugs, or even performance glitches that could negatively impact the user experience. And these various and significant issues could potentially cause several other serious problems, whether with the device's integrated battery system, the advanced camera functionalities, or numerous other critical components and features. So I always make sure to manually update the system, but only after a considerable period, specifically more than 10 full days, have completely passed. When that particular amount of time has indeed passed, meaning, to be precise, more than 12 entire days, and when absolutely no other new system version or update has been officially released, then and only then do I proceed. I immediately perform an update on the system manually after that. This way, I can effectively circumvent some or even all of the potential issues that could ultimately lead to the entire phone ceasing to function correctly, whether that particular problem impacts the camera, the battery, or anything else whatsoever. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The comprehensive playlist of some incredibly helpful iPhone tutorials contains many important and valuable guides that you will undoubtedly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.